good afternoon, welcome back to my channel. I'm still in Kericho County. I'm in this place called Chesumot Resort, or rather Chesumot camping site. It's along Brook Town after Kericho, and it's around 30 minutes from Kericho town. So I'm still touring Kericho because I'm still here for a few days, and I saw this place on the Google map and I decided to come here and see what they have to offer. But let's see what these guys have. Guys, look at that tree, the old trees I'm telling you. Look, and the butterflies and the chameleons. Very nice decorations. See that, guys? Place looks like this. This is what you see when you enter, and they have a dam there which I'll be visiting soon in a moment. It's just a place where you can come and visit and do some camping site. They don't cook food, you bring your own food. So it's just a good place. It's relaxing and it's beautiful, as you can see. Let me show you what they have. You see? This place is beautiful, I'm telling you. It's nice, and the weather is cool, and they have butterflies everywhere and some sort of decoration. And one thing I've liked about Kericho is that they have trees everywhere. That explains why they have the perfect weather, and also Kericho is very, very green. So Chesumot camping site looks like this. You pay 500 at the gate. You can come and visit, but you have to bring your own food. For the camp, those people who love camping, you bring your own tent, you bring everything, you cook for yourself. But I love how the place looks like. Let me give you a tour, guys. See, this is, I believe this is their bar, or rather their restaurant. Wow. See, guys? That's how the place looks like. Let's keep walking. I'll come back to the dam. Let me first go on that side. Oh, there's a lizard. I nearly ran. Okay. Alright. That's how the place looks like. The ambience, the weather is so good. So let's keep walking. Smells like nyama. And if you decide to come camping, they have a jiko for nyama choma, but you bring your own meat as well. Everything, you come with it. You see? That's their kitchen. Alright. And I always say that I'm not advertising them. It's just that I was just seated at the hotel in Kericho town, and as usual, a waiter told me to come here. It's 30 minutes from Kericho town, but again, the roads are not so good because they have a lot of rocks. So this is the beautiful Chesumot Resort. That's how it looks like. Let's visit this place and see. Whoa. Okay. The benches looks like that. Let's keep walking. I think these are the bathrooms. Let's visit the forest. Let's take the nature trail to the forest. Let's keep walking. So they told me that people just come here to sit and enjoy. Others do come here to camp. So this is how their place looks like. It's more like a forest, but it's safe because there are people. There are people everywhere. Okay, let's keep walking. It's reminding me of Meshuki Memorial Park. It has the same vibe. Even the trees. But I'm going to be honest. Let me sit down here. So like I said, I'm going to be very honest. It's not a place you can come if you do not have a car. Because the way I've seen the road, especially the road entering here at the camping site itself, it's very rocky. But from Kericho town to all the way before the gate, it's tarmac. But again, it's kind of remote. So the only thing I've seen, the mode of transport I've seen are the bikes and the Pro Box. And I've been told for the Pro Box, you can't leave town. It has to fill up before it comes here. But another thing, but I like the place because it's very refreshing. The weather is good. And like I said, Kericho is very green and has a lot of trees. I've also noticed there's a lot of cattle farming. And the fact that they're surrounded by tea plantation, it makes it now look good. So I'll keep walking. I won't go far because, to be honest, I don't even know where I'm going. And I've been told there's a group. There are people who are coming here for some team building. So I want to record before they get here. You know, when there are people, you can't roll your camera all the time. And Kericho is another place I've noticed people don't like camera. Every time they see you holding a camera, especially if you're holding a phone, just a phone, they don't have a problem. That the moment you put your phone on a tripod, and then I don't know, they see you looking like I don't know what, they don't like it. They'll keep telling you, oh, usinichukue, don't capture me, things like that. So let me vlog before the group that is coming here for team building arrives, because I want, when they come, I just sit down, relax and have my meal. So yeah, let's keep walking. Right, guys, you see what I'm talking about? The tea plantation, tea farming everywhere. Kericho is green, I'm telling you, green, very green, which I like. And the fact that there are trees everywhere, even on the highway. You can just be walking on the highway and you just decide to sit down and just pumzika, like rest, because trees are everywhere. Okay, I wonder if people camp under these trees or where do they camp? Hey. Okay, imagine at night camping in between or inside there. Imagine camping inside there, guys. Where it can be scary, I don't even want to imagine. Yeah, but there's a river down there. At night it can be very dark because I do not see any electricity here inside the forest. But at the resort there they have electricity, but here sijaona. So I don't think I'll be comfortable camping a place like this. As much as I love nature and outdoor, this place is not for me. And again, it looks like it has a lot of mosquitoes. So you see, guys, there. Whoa, look at that. Look at that. It's beautiful. Kericho is really beautiful. Hey, but again, they are saying if you come here when it's cold or rainy season, you will not like it. So let's go back. So let's walk back. We go to the dam and see. I saw boats. There's a bee. I saw boats, but there's no way I'm going to risk taking a boat ride. No way. So let's keep walking. At this rate I've been walking, I can even feel like I've lost some weight, to be honest, because all I do is walk, and I've realized I'm the kind of a person when I travel, I struggle eating. I struggle eating a lot. I don't know why. I just don't eat very well for some reason. Plus, I also have a very sensitive stomach. So I always choose what I eat. Because there are some food, if I eat, I'll have instant headache. And the next thing is a stomachache or diarrhea, name it. So I'm very choosy. Let's walk towards this other side. Actually, let's see what's there, guys. Keep watching. This other side looks like that. I came from over there. And then I went there. And now we are going towards the side because I want to see what they have here. There's a guy there looking at me and wondering, where am I talking to myself? Hey, woo. I don't know how to explain to him that I'm at work. Okay. Oh, seems like there's a path. Let's keep walking. It's actually a road. Oh, and the river, even though it's a small river, there's a river and a bridge. Hey, but why are people not farming here? And the way they have nice. There you go. Oh, okay. Hey, let me go back. There are some bees. I can't tell where exactly. Let me run for my life. So let's go to the dam and chill there. Take photos. And then I head back to Kericho town. At least I've done something today. But I won't lie to you. I really wanted to sleep all day. But again, I need my YouTube channel to grow. So I have to push myself. Wake up and do something other than just sleeping. Okay, see what I'm talking about, Kericho, the trees here. There are so many trees. And they are huge, huge trees. And they look like they've been there for years. For ages. So let's go to the dam. And then after some time, I'll be heading out. Back to Kericho town. Keep watching, guys. Okay. Ah, the lizard. Oh, look at that, guys. I love the decoration over here. It looks so good. And on the other side, see that? And also this. Whoever did this job did a great job, guys, as you can see over there. Yeah. There. Wow. So guys, let's head to the dam and see what's there, and just stand there and just enjoy the breeze and enjoy the water. And yeah, hey guys, today I'm not feeling it. I've been vlogging for 2 days continuously. This is the 3rd day, and I think after here I'll go and rest because I feel so tired. My body is not really feeling it for sure. I've seen something else. Hold on, guys. Look at how this place has nice decoration. Yeah, I'm liking it. Also the flowers, the plants. If you want to do a boat ride, I can see a boat here, but I'm not doing that today because me in water. See? And they have the arrowroots. The arrowroots are everywhere. See guys, a lot of arrowroots. Kericho is rich, I'm telling you, rich. Farming, there is a lot of food. I also noticed even on the road when you're walking, you see a lot of food, potatoes, a lot of things. So guys, that's the dam. That's how it looks like. So guys, I'm seated here. I'm just relaxing by the dam, and I have a guest on my tripod. I have a bee. Oh, how do I get it off? Hey, okay. Yeah, it's gone. It's actually gone. And like I said, I'm just here relaxing. As you can see behind me, the dam is there. That's the dam behind me, guys. Yeah. And I think I'll be taking a tour of this farm because I do see they have a lot to offer. Other than the dam, they have the tea plantation, they have the Dorper farming. So I want to take a walk around the farm and see what else I'll be able to show you guys. So keep it locked. There is a lot of crickets here. The sound of crickets, I'm telling you. Yeah, there's a lot. So I've decided to tour the farm. So I'm going on the other side of the dam so that we can get a great view of the dam from the farm side. As I also visit the tea plantation, even though I did that on my previous video, but we don't get tired of doing these things. So I'm walking towards the farm so that I can also see what they have there. I want to walk up to where there are dorpers over there. I hope they won't chase me out. They look so beautiful. Wow. Wow. Yeah, there's a combination of Dorpers and the dairy goats. No, are there dairy goats here? No, I cannot see dairy goats, but just the normal goats. The Dorpers and the dairy goats. So let's keep walking. Let's take a walk up to the far end, and then I come back, and then I go back to Kericho town. I think I'll be calling it a day very soon. The day was not wasted for sure, because this area looks so good and the views are so good. There are views for life. So let's keep walking, and I don't even know where I'm going. Okay. I think I'll sit down somewhere and have some snacks under a tree. See, guys? Now that's the resort from this side. Yes, like that. And this place is very windy. I hope you can hear me. Despite it being hot, at least the wind and the breeze is making it easy for someone to walk around. See, trees everywhere, forest everywhere. That's why when it rains here, it does rain for sure. So yeah. So guys, you see that one with the bell? I've been told that they put the bells because when they get lost, they'll be able to find them, because when they walk, the bells keep on ringing. So it will be easy for them to find the goats. It's a parade of goats. Whoa. Okay, I've really enjoyed this place. It's really good, especially for unwinding, relaxing. If I tell you guys that I fell asleep under a tree, you will not believe me. Plus also, you know, you could be seated here and a snake falls on your head. But anyway, so guys, that will be it for today. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. I don't take that for granted. And if it's your first time here, please hit the subscribe button. And to my viewers, every time you watch my videos, please always give them a thumbs up, give them a like. And now guys, on to the next one, or until the next one, bye bye.